my kitty. Me and my kitty have the same color eyes. She hates to be held. Okay, let's go. Ow, ow. Okay, you're done. Hi. Ew, I'm so cringy. So today I'm going to show you how I did this. It's not really a tutorial because I don't feel like I know what I'm doing and I'm not qualified and my face feels really, really red, so bye. Hi. I tried to get like close, but I didn't want to be too close. But I'm not sure if this is close enough. I almost forgot to put on my eyelids. So I already covered my eyelids in concealer when I did my eyebrows and everything. So then I set it, I don't know if I'm supposed to do this, but I set it with translucent powder, the Becca Hydra Mist one, and now I'm priming with Urban Decay Primer Potion, just the original one. Oh no. This bottom color, and put it right under here. And then in this Morphe palette, the Jaclyn Hill Ring Me Alarm, I'm using the color Rush. I feel so awkward doing this. Like, I feel so weird. But I feel like it's gonna be fun. Fun and fresh. Okay. Now we're gonna go into Alert, which is like the same tone of orange, just more bright. And put that under. I'm just using the same brush, because why not? Using this brush, I'm using my phone. Scandalous. This brush, don't know what brush it is. It's like a crease brush from Urban Decay, and I'm getting the color Framed and putting that in here. Oh, we have a mishap over here. I'm just gonna take this brush again, the orange, and try to blend that out. So I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Yeah, that's right. And on this, I do not know how to say this. Anastasia or Anastat. I don't know. I say it wrong every time. I feel like I don't know. To my crease. Oh no. Oh, this is not turning out great. Okay, that's good enough. Works. I don't know. I'm using my phone, so it keeps. That doesn't look cute. Oh well. So I'm using the Ulta Beauty, the Lustrous Foil eyeshadow. I'm not 100% sure how to use this because I feel like I do it wrong every time. But whatever. I'm just gonna, you know, just like poke at it kind of. And put this right in the middle. Make it nice and ugly, just the way I like it. Okie dokie, that works. Now for the other eye. Because I'm doing this brush and just kind of try to brush off the glitter that got into the like crease area. I really kind of, now that I'm thinking about it, don't think it's like necessary to like cut your crease with like actual concealer. I think if I just used the like a glitter primer like this one, I would have been fine. But you know, with this little, oh no, what happened? With this little pencil brush, I want to add some more of the color framed to like make a distinct difference. This brush again. Oh my, why does that keep happening? That's probably the most annoying thing ever. I actually don't think anybody's gonna watch this video. It's more for me to like track my makeup skill progress than for anybody to like actually watch it, because like I don't think anybody cares that much. But you know, yep, these don't look the same at all. Probably should have just oh well. This brush and just smear this glitter all over my face. Try to, you know, get it out of my hair. It's everywhere. So I am going to do my eyeliner off camera because performance anxiety. I just poked that right. I have glitter actually in my eyeball. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, now that there's literally glitter everywhere, I don't like to do my eyeshadow first, but I feel like I kind of need to start doing that because I get everything everywhere, and then I feel like I end up wiping off like a good amount of my like actual face makeup, my foundation and such. Okay, so I just did my eyeliner and it kind of looks like crap, but I really I want to like this eyeliner so much, but I just don't. It's the Urban Decay Razor Sharp Water Resistant Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner, and it looks like this. And if you can see, it's like, number one, like falling apart. I've had it for probably a week. It's like clumpy and disgusting, and then you take it out and the brush is like so round and thick on the end. And then I put this, I don't know what color this is. I think Damsel is what it's called. But I just put this on the like top waterline, just so I don't have like that like weird looking piece of skin. I don't know if anybody notices that other than me, but I need tweezers. Oh no, oh no. That's it, it's finished. Put my two favorite highlighters on together. Oh crap, crap, crap. Okay, so MAC Double Gleam. I love this one, but it doesn't have enough, and then I'm just using the Morphe M510. Favorite highlighter of all time, the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. It's so beautiful, so pretty, so shiny. My lips look crusty. And Morphe. Okay, probably can't see that, and I don't know how to say this. Frose with apostrophe, so Frose. Okay, all done. Hi, it's me reporting from the bathtub with an allergic reaction all over my face. I just wanted to say that I tried to film this video before, and I just want to put some clips from the first time that I tried to film it in here. Bye! This stuff is like honestly kind of hard to use, but I love like chunky glitter kind of looks. I look like a really bad, really pale, Snooki impersonator, and I'm being stabbed in the eye. What am I doing wrong? I do just like goes to shit. I just myself with this thing off. And look at my eyelashes. Hi, Charlotte's Web here. Ready for the fucking day. And now I just ripped. That almost gave me an asthma attack.